Here's how to add or remove addresses in your Amazon account using a computer. Start by opening Amazon in your browser and signing into your account. Now, hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right and click Your Account. On the Your Account page, find the section labeled Ordering and Shopping Preferences and click Your Addresses. This is where you can add, edit, or remove any saved addresses. To add a new address, click Add Address. Type in your full name, street address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. If it's your main address, check the box to make this my default address. Then click Add Address to save it. Amazon may ask you to confirm formatting. Just review and continue. To edit an address, click Edit next to it. You can update the name, phone number, or any part of the address. Click Save Changes when you're done. To remove an address, click Remove below the address. Amazon will show a confirmation pop-up. Click Yes to delete it. Keep in mind you cannot remove an address that's currently set as your default, so switch the default first if needed. You can set any address as your default for faster checkout by clicking Set as Default under that address. And that's it. You've successfully added, edited, or removed addresses in your Amazon account.